Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Hey man, you got a YouTube channel, don't you?
YouTube Jacob Vile?
Oh yeah. Hey, yeah, I'll follow you, man.
Yes, sir.
I know you got a lot of followers.
Yeah. I do a good bit of videos, yeah. Could you tell me what's in here real quick?
Not a problem. 815s. 8 American-based signature 15s on 4 Tyrails, 12 cage and half ohm per piece.
6 4?
6 and a half.
6 and a half. Oh, because you got some there.
Yep.
Very nice. This looks really good. It's really musical too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it plays pretty versatile. Ideal, and I think I might have lost one, but
It might be just the coil getting warm.
Yeah. I actually got them. Let me see if I can grab my.
Is your amps on by the doors?
Yeah. Okay. On the side. Yeah. I think I overdid it a bit too much.
What's the temperature on it?
170, 180.
I've seen up to 320. But anything about that's pretty hot still.
175.
It'd be good to play low frequency, half volume, let them breathe and air
100.
cool off.
Can I get on?
200 almost. Woo! Yeah.
They've had a little bit of time to cool down, so I probably got them up. We'll see. Not a problem.
What was your name?
Tyrail.
Tyrail. All right. Can I open the door? So I can see the amp? Good. Thank you.
Half of the police. I spent time overseas, hanging out in England, and I got the squad on my mind and the business. You a little time like the country allegiance. 56 days, gotta know the real meaning. Drop most of the tape and had to go to Europe. Hey! You really having papers. The Mexico shit, nigga. I'm talking about we have real bad that shit, you dig? Hey, hey,
My grind now.
Fuck all that social media, I leave it up to the kids. You wanna look at cheater, you wanna back to the six. I got the kids on the track, I wanna hit her. I don't listen to a bad nigga, $100 on a bad bitch. You can buy her a mattress. Fuck this nigga, shit a savage. Girl, nigga, shit a savage. I'm a to the savage. Tomboys on everything.
You're smoking them on
Yeah, I
that.
think I lost one.
No. Turn it down some. With the doors open, it's like 52, 53 hertz. Really
God, dude, that fucking is powerful.
Yeah, and it's really, the doors are open doing that. It's really good.
Magic smoke.
Hey,
Magic smoke.
hey, stay where the shot, boss. Hey.
Hey, man, you got a YouTube channel, don't you?
YouTube Jacob Al?
Oh, yeah.
Hey,
Yeah, I'll follow you, man.
Yes, sir.
I know you got a lot of followers.
I do a good bit of videos, yeah. Thank you very much for the demo.
Hey, not a problem.
What was your name?
Tyrail.
Tyrail. All right.